Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Found a new song from Joe B called Shake This Ground. So, if you're talking about legends, then Joe is one of them. If you're a fan of him, let's go into this tutorial. So, we're gonna look into this one without any capo needed here. We have 5 chords. Very simple chords, so let's learn them first. We're gonna start with A minor. And A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is C, and that will be third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. We have F, which is a bar chord, and you're gonna place your index finger on the first fret, covering all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the final chord to handle the bridge later on will be the E minor. E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Now let's go into the strumming and learn that first. We have the A minor as the first chord, so one round will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, up, down, up. Okay, and then comes the clap, up, down, up. And all that is one round, so down, up, clap, up, down, up. And a couple rounds. Okay, if you don't want to clap here, you can just focus on the strumming, and then you replace the clap with a down. So that will be down, up, like this. Okay, it's up to you. I prefer the clap to have this beat going on there, and that is just my preferences. Let's go into this actual song, and it starts with the intro, and that intro is actually played in the exact same way as the chorus is played as well. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is to play A minor one round, C one round, G one round, and F one round. Then the second half will be to play A minor one round, C one round, and G 2 rounds. So A minor, C, G, F, A minor, C, 1 round per chord, and then final G is 2 rounds, like this. Okay, so that is actually how the song starts, the intro, and then comes the first chorus, okay? So it's not normally verse start here. We start with the chorus. Baby, let's shake this ground. That's how we start with the lyrics. So what you're gonna do is to continue this very same intro for 2 more rounds. So 2 more rounds of that chord progression. I think we know that by now. We don't have to play through. Let's go then into the first verse. It starts about 35 seconds in, and got a feeling that is how the lyric starts. So what you're gonna play now is A minor 1, C1, G1, and F1. That chord progression of these 4 chords rolls for 4 rounds, like this. I played 2, you're gonna play 4 rounds. Optional thing here is to get the notes on the F chord. So once you play the A minor, C, G, you have the notes there are very prominent in this song, and it goes like this. Okay, so what you're gonna do is play A minor 1, C1, G1, and then you play the notes here and continue with the up, down, up. So the notes replaces the down, up clap, okay? The first part of the strumming. So notes you will find on the first fret E string to start with, the bass, and then open G, second G, and first B. So I hold this grip like this. I don't hold the full chord because we have the open strings there. You cannot bar it. But anyway, and then I continue with the up, down, up with this very grip. If you want, you can also add a 3rd fret D string, and there you have pretty much the F chord. But it doesn't hurt if you just stay with that grip and do the up, down, up. It's just a short moment there, and then you will jump into the next round of A minor. So with the notes, it sounds like this. You can have that as an optional thing. I'll just go with the 4 chords of strumming. That's good enough as well. So anyway, the verse for 4 rounds. And then after this first verse, you're going to go into the second chorus and play that in the exact same way for 2 rounds. And then the second verse for 2 rounds. And then the 4 rounds. And the third chorus now. A lot of numbers. 3rd chorus played for 2 rounds there as well. So jump before the chorus, to jump to the verse and back and forth like this till it played the 3rd chorus. All right. After that 3rd chorus comes the bridge part. It happens about 2 minutes and 7 seconds in. This is the now where you need to handle the E minor as well. And actually start with that chord. You're gonna play E minor, 2 strumming rounds, then A minor 2, F2, C2. Okay, that's the first half of it. Then the second half will be to play E minor 2, A minor 2, F2, and then G2. Okay, so almost the identical halves there. The first half ends with C2, and the second one ends with G2. Let's play together that, and yeah, let's do it. So there you have the bridge part, and then we had the final parts of the song. You're gonna play verse number 3 now in order, and you're gonna play that for 4 rounds, and then you go for the next and final chorus, number 4. This one is 4 rounds in total instead of 2 only, so it's twice as long as the other choruses. And then after that, you have the outro part left. You continue with the chorus play for 2 rounds, and then you end with 1 down on the A minor. Okay, and that's it. That's how you handle the song called Shake This Ground. So I hope you enjoy this, guys. A very simple song to handle, 5 chords, simple strumming, and that's it. So till next time, play tuned.